All right, hey guys, I'm going to show you a couple patterns that maybe hopefully you notice. So first one that you might see is if you're just going down, it's obviously going 2 to the 4th, to the 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 0, -1, -2, -3. So it's going down kind of by a power of 2, right? So here 2 to the 4th is 4 of them, 3 of them, 2 squared is 2 of them, to the 1st is 1 of them. Okay, so it's kind of going like that. Now I want to show you something else that's kind of cool about this. As you go, so 2 to the 4th actually equals 16. You guys can see that over here, right? 2 to the 3rd is 8. 2 squared is actually 4. What's happening each time? Do you notice anything? As I go from like 16 to 8, and from 8 to 4, 4 to 2. Anybody notice anything? Well, it's actually splitting in half, or it's dividing by 2. Every single time it's dividing by 2. So if I wanted to get the next answer, I would need to divide by 2. Well, 2 divided by 2, that's actually 1. Okay, if I did that again, because I'm just going to continue the pattern, it's dividing by 2. Well, 1 divided by 2, I could write it like that. That's 1/2. Okay, again, if I divide that by 2, a half divided by 2, think a half split in half is actually a 4th. And then if you split a 4th in half, if you divide that by 2, that would be an 1/8. Now I want to show you something else that is kind of cool. Okay, so let's look at 2 to the 3rd. Okay, I'll kind of highlight it in the answer. And then 2 to the -3rd. I'm going to highlight it down here. Do you notice anything the same about those? So look at those 2 spots that I highlighted. Okay, here's what's kind of cool about this. So 2 to the 3rd was 8. 2 to the -3rd is actually 1/8. Okay, look at 2 squared. It's 4. 2 to the -2 is actually 1/4. Okay, so what if I asked you, like, you could figure out 2 to the 5th. What if I asked you 2 to the -5th? Well, it's probably going to be 1 over whatever 2 to the 5th is. I think it's 32, but something like that. That would be my answer. So you're going to hear another explanation of this, but again, if I had 2 to the 4th, you guys could figure that out. It's, I think, 32. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to the -4th is going to be the same as whatever, 1 over whatever 2 to the 4th was, or 1/32.